Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. This is your friend Pherl at the hobby. I hope you would give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button if this is your first time here on my channel. At the same time, if you're looking for someone who would promote your channel, please click the join button and become a member of my channel. At the same time, you can also be with me in my advocacy of helping the less fortunate kids. Okay guys? So thank you so much and thank you for your support. Hey guys, it's me again, Pherl. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. Guys, titikman na namin ni Ate Shaja ang aming cake. Titignan lang natin kung masarap ang Graham. Hey, avocado Graham. Look at this. Okay, the regular size of kakatan and this the giant kakatan. Okay, ayan. Okay. Mainit ng ating kawali, lalagyan natin. Sabay tayo ng at least 3 tablespoons of mantika. Okay, ito sa Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. So for today's video, we're going to cook chicken afritada. Okay, I have here breast part of chicken. This is a breast part of chicken. Okay, this is at least half a kilo of chicken. Here, potato. Okay, potato soaked in water with salt. Okay, tomato sauce, banana ketchup. Okay, salt, canola oil. I'll be using canola oil guys for healthier order ni Mrs. Yan ang order ko talaga kay Mr. ko. Canola oil. And then the beans. Okay. The tomatoes. The onion. The garlic. And last but not the least, the bell pepper. Okay guys, so let's start the cooking tutorial of the chicken afritada. Okay, let's go! So to start the cooking tutorial guys, we have to ensure that the pan that we're about to use is clean. Okay, so we will now turn on the flame. Put at least 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then we need to put next is we have to put the tomatoes. Chicken. I think this is 3/4 kilo guys. So it's time to, yeah. Guys, I will be using my own choice of seasoning, the magic syrup, okay? I love to use magic syrup. It's the time to I will be adding salt. 2 pinch of salt only. Okay. So I will now add the potato. Okay. We will put the beans. Tomato sauce by Del Monte, okay? To my afritada, I'll be adding the combination of pineapple juice and the orange juice, okay? So to give a sweet taste. Right now guys, testingin natin yung lasa ha. Sarap. The taste of the chicken is perfect. Nice. The chicken is already tender and we have to wait for the potato, okay? When the potato is done, in a few minutes, okay? If the potato is already done guys, look, you have to, yan, matigas pa siya guys, okay? Hindi pa siya luto. Okay. So that's it. Let's check if the potato is already done. If the potato is done, so wait. I guess pa siya, guys. But sooner this will be So ayun guys, luto na ang ating chicken afritada. We have to, done. This is done. Okay, luto na siya. My very delicious chicken afritada with a twist, okay? With orange and then